gonna make it one more time for me. There you go. All right. Little girl saw this video on a fringe skirt, shaky skirt. Anyways, so we wanted to make one for Valentine's Day. So we made one. I'll put a link in the description on the video we saw that she liked. So if you want to see that one as well, you'll be able to see it. Say hi.
Hi.
Woo. But anyways, I hope y'all like it. It's just something fun we're gonna do for Valentine's Day. Girl, how many teeth you missing? How you even eat, girl? You ain't got no teeth in there.
This one's going right here.
It's going in? Sure is. All right, so now we have a Valentine's Day skirt, right?
Yeah.
And we're gonna put some fringe on it.
Yeah, a little fringe. First, have to put some lines on this.
Some lines?
Figure it out.
Okay, well, we're gonna figure this out, okay? So we need some glue gun, a ruler, some chalk, so you can mark the lines on here, which you'll see that as I go. And I got 2 yards of this and 2 yards of this. So.
And then we got our Bella Boo.
Then we got Bella Boo. Stink butt. You gonna break that?
Look.
How long is that? Do you know?
There's 0 part, 1 part, 2 part, 3 part. 39, 60.
35, 36.
6.
This is a yardstick, okay? It's called a yardstick. And a yardstick has 36 inches. You hear me? How many inches?
36 inches.
Thank you very much. Or chalk line. So if you use a piece of chalk, you can leave a mark on here that we can wash off. So do it right here at 2.5 inches. Go like this. Right? And then from the edge, you get 2.5. Glue. Okay? And then we have 4-inch fringe. Okay? So, let's make sure it's 4. 36 to 32, that's 4. So, we'll start on 0, and we'll do it again on 4. Like that. Now we gotta cut them to length, okay? You get your scissors.
I want to do the scissors.
You can do the scissors. If I can find the end of this thing. There it goes. Hold on. Wait, I'll tell you where. Okay, so we're gonna start here. Alright, so hold on. You gotta come from this direction. And separate them. And hold on, let me get it tight. Go ahead. Open up a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, go ahead. Do it again. There you go. Alright.
So what else? Tape it?
No, we're gonna have to glue it, but let's get a couple of them cut the right length, okay?
Okay.
So we can just glue all at one time. Ah!
What?
It's winning. When I'm at work and I'm doing construction, I always tell my boys, don't let it win. Well, guess what? It's winning. Yep. Do it again. Not there. Not there. Look what you're doing. There you go. One more time. There you go. Good job.
More?
Okay. Well, we'll do the other side later. Right now, that's what we're doing, okay? All right, put the scissors down. All right. So let's take these off. Leave them in the right order because one's a little smaller and one's a little smaller. And then the last one's yet a little smaller. So we don't want to mix them up. And we're going to take the glue.
The glue?
We got the straight lines. They're still pretty straight. Yeah, it's pretty straight. Okay, so this stuff's hot. It's a hot glue gun. Glue gun. You can't use it.
But I'm going to hold your hand and do it.
You going to hold my hand?
And do this.
Okay, ready?
Uh-huh.
Alright, so we go like this. Hold on, get a little bit there. Okay, stop for a second. And then we have to start. Okay. How's it feel?
Good.
Yeah? All right, let's get the next one, okay?
Okay.
All right, go ahead, push her down. There you go. There you go. Good job. All right, what we got here? Okay.
Okay, now the next
All
part.
right, so she decided I wanted just to do this, but she thought this would be cute. So we decided to go ahead and get it enough to go above it. All right, so we're going to allow you to use the glue yourself on this one after we get done cutting these, right?
Okay.
Okay, fair enough. So let's do that. Let's get these cut, okay? All right. So if I start there. One more time, you got it. Hey, watch out for my fingers, girl. Okay, one more time.
One more time.
Okay.
It's almost ready.
That looks good?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go ahead and get the glue back out. I'm going to help you. I'm going to show you. I'm going to allow you to do it, okay?
Okay.
But I want to make sure we take our time.
Anyway.
I got to get these out of the way so we don't glue them down. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so what you want to do is take the glue. Come over here. Can you see what you're doing?
Mm-hmm. I got the hiccups.
You got the hiccups.
Yes.
Isn't that an old rap song? I got the hiccups. Holla if you hear me. Or is that the hookups?
The hiccups. It looks like a dress.
Almost. Okay, so let's get the top one.
Glue time. All done.
All right, so what do we think? Shall I wear it?
Oh.
Want to see what it looks like on you? Come here, come here, so we can see the camera. All right, well, let's finish it up, okay?
Oh, why?
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What if we take one of these and put it in the shape of a heart?
Let me need to glue it.
Yeah, well, let's get the heart shape first because we suck at hearts.
Here we go.
Is that a heart?
Yeah.
I don't know if I can glue that on there, though.
But I can do it.
Oh, you can do it. I've seen what you do with the cut and glue gun. Okay, let's just worry about this first. We can always put that on there at the end. So anyway, we're going to cut the ends off.
Then put these hearts on there, on the back.
I made them a little long so we could cut them where we wanted them. Alright. So like that.
Then put some more out.
Okay.
I found some more.
Okay, so you want to try and do a heart on the back?
Yeah.
Okay.
A lot of hearts is right here.
No, we're going to do one. We're going to do one heart. We're going to keep it high. That way if it doesn't look good, we can cover it up. We can cover it up. Okay.
How about keep going down and down and now over and over?
Yeah. One.
How about two?
One on each side?
Yeah.
Here and here?
Yeah.
Let's see what we can do here first. What's the chances of this working?
It looks like perfect.
That looks perfect?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Glad my daughter loves me. I don't like it.
I like it.
So leave it?
Yeah, leave it.
Okay, but we're only doing one because I don't like it. We'll leave this particular one. Only because she likes it.
Because you don't like it.
I don't like it. Okay. So that's how you do that.
The finished project.
That's the finished project? Or finished product?
Finished
You
project.
think I should wear it?
No, it's mine.
You're going to wear it? All right, so here's our finished product. Show me what that skirt can do. Yeah? You like it? Show me it one more time for me. There you go. All right, so what do you say?
Thanks for watching and subscribe down below. Subscribe.
Give me a thumbs up.
Watch our last video on the skirt.
Watch this video on the skirt. And look for our Valentine's Day date. Me and you gonna go on a date, okay?
Where?
We're gonna go out to eat for Valentine's Day. Say
We're
bye.
not in love.
We're not in love? You don't love Daddy? Oh, you don't love Daddy. No, it's okay. You don't love Daddy. You don't love Daddy? You don't love Daddy?
I love you.
Okay, I love you too. You like your skirt?
Mm.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye.